Greetings, we're here to catch fish, so we're not going to muck around today. Let's get into it, come along and have a nosy, eh?
Rightio, got a hook up. We've changed techniques, we've gone to an indicator. We'll just take it easy with these fish today. Have a bit of fun with them. Getting flashes of silver there. It's a jack. It's been here a while. Lost a little bit of condition, but he gave a good account of himself. So luckily for this fella, he gets to go back. Another hook up. It's taking a bit of line, this one. Play them lightly today. Get them under control, get it in, have a look at it, let it go. Get them on the beach, have a look at them. Another hatchery fish. Good size hook in his jaw, this one, probably a 5 or 6 year old fish. Jack gave a good account of himself, the right pelvic's been clipped. And his reward is he can go back home again. Right.